Good morning everyone, my name is Germany Barres and I'm here to tackle all about impacts of technology and outdoor recreation and adventure. What is outdoor recreation? Activities focused on nature, relaxation, and physical health, often requiring minimal specialized equipment or risk. Ito yung may mababang porsyento ng risk. Kasi, for example, hiking, camping, fishing, cycling, bird watching, swimming. Ito lang yung pwede kang magsolo, magmuni-muni, mag-relax. Di lang yung percent na pwede kang mapahamak. What is adventure? Activities involving greater levels of excitement, physical challenge, or perceived risk, often requiring specialized equipment and skills. When we say adventurous, it must be thrilling and we must be specially skilled, and then we are well trained, then we have a gear. Before we conduct this activity, such as rock climbing, mountaineering, skydiving, and canoeing, surfing. What are the impacts of technology in outdoor recreation and adventure? Technology is now a key part of outdoor adventures, fundamentally changing the wilderness experience to be safer, easier, and more accessible. Its most important impacts include enhancing safety, as GPS and emergency satellite devices now allow adventurers to navigate and call for help, even without call service. Furthermore, advancement in lightweight materials and smart clothing make gear more comfortable and protective. Finally, the spread of mobile apps simplifies planning, giving people all the necessary information for trail planning and real-time. Technology influences the outdoor experience in 5 significant areas: access and transportation, comfort, safety, communication, and information. Access and transportation. Improvements in technology, specifically with snowmobiles and off-road vehicles, or RVs, have greatly simplified access to remote outdoor locations. These machines allows people to travel much faster and with less physical effort than before, letting them reach deep forests or distant trails quickly. The increased ability to travel furthermore makes once isolated areas more widely accessible. New machines like off-road vehicles and snowmobiles make it easier and faster to reach faraway outdoor places. This allows more people to visit areas that used to be difficult to explore. Comfort. Technological progress has substantially elevated comfort for outdoor enthusiasts. This includes lighter, more effective gear like specialized clothing and high-performance tents, which provide superior protection and reduce physical burden. Consequently, this improved comfort enables a wider demographic to safely and enjoyably access remote and challenging natural environments. Technology improves comfort through better and lighter gear like clothes and tents. These tools help people stay safe, warm, and enjoy outdoor activities more easily. Safety. Technology improves safety through stronger, lighter, versatile gear. For instance, new materials like specialized carbon fibers are used in climbing gear and bike frames, making them tough but very light. Also, high-strength aluminum alloys are used in mountaineering and camping gear, making it reliable. However, some advanced tools like dive computers demand a higher skill level and expertise for proper use. Otherwise, the intended safety benefit is lost due to user error. Modern technology provides safer and stronger equipment like climbing tools made from carbon fiber or aluminum. However, people still need the right skills because mistakes in using these tools can cause danger. Communication. This is the fastest growing area, including GPS units, long-range radios, personal locators, beacons, PLBs, satellite telephones, and smartphones apps. These tools provide precise location, speed, direction, and the ability to signal for help. Devices like GPS, radios, and satellite phones help people communicate and find their exact location. These tools are important in emergencies because they allow users to call for help. Information. Information once obtained via word of mouth or maps is now easily accessed through the internet, automated telephone exchanges, and guidebooks, generally leading to increased use for formerly remote locations. The internet and mobile apps make it easy to get maps, guides, and travel tips. This helps more people discover new outdoor places and plan their adventures better. Potential downsides of technology, illusions of safety. It creates a bubble of security, making people over-rely on gadgets and neglect essential survival skills. An avalanche beacon helps rescue but doesn't teach avalanche avoidance. Increased risk-taking, false confidence from technology like precise GPS readings, encourages underskilled people to enter remote, dangerous areas they can't handle. Technology failure. Devices like radios or GPS can easily stop working due to simple issues like dead batteries or exposure to radio. Technology can make people too dependent on gadgets, giving a false sense of safety. Devices can also fail due to problems like dead batteries or bad weather, which can cause danger. Technology has drastically altered how we engage with the outdoors, offering both clear advantage and significant risk. Its positive contributions include a major boost to safety and accessibility. For example, GPS and emergency beacons provide life-saving security, while improved gear makes challenging trips easier and more comfortable. However, a key danger in the false sense of security this technology creates. Relying too heavily on gadgets can cause people to overlook essential personal skills and sound judgment. Ultimately, although technology opens the wilderness to more people, it is crucial that adventurers stay prepared so their dependency doesn't lead to dangerous situations and overuse of rescue resources. Technology has changed how we experience outdoor adventure by making them safer, easier, and more comfortable. But it is important not to rely too much on gadgets and to always stay prepared and that's all. Thank you.